two-step. Okay. It's got a catchy guitar riff intro. Okay, so we're gonna play this without the capo. So the chords are E minor to D to C and then C again. So E minor and then D and then C. So how I'm playing this? So for my E minor, I'm hammering on the 3rd fret. So it's gonna be 3rd fret of the 1st string. So it's gonna be open, 2, 2, open, open, 3. Okay? So I'm plucking 6, 2, 1. Sorry, 6, 3, 1. 6, 3, 1. 1. So 61, 1, 3. 61, 1, 3. Then you come to 7th fret and then you switch to D, which is 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1, 4, 3, 1, 1. And then C, which is 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, and 2 you're hammering on the 3rd fret of your 2nd string. So 5, 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 1, 1, 5, 3, 1, and then D, which is 4, 3, 1, and then you're back to E minor. So D is like a transition. So C, D, E minor. Alright, so that's pretty much it, I guess, for the song. Let's just see if there's like a progression change somewhere. Maybe a bridge or something like that.